Good morning, everyone. I know it's a bit messy in my bedroom right now, so I apologize to that. Um, I would like to talk about a little bit of story uh, about my doctor, one of my doctors. Um, he was my psychiatrist since 2010 until last month. Um, he was my psychiatrist for more than 10 years. I will not mention his name because he's still involved with a mental health hospital um, in my neighborhood. So that's one of the reasons why I cannot mention his name because of the privacy reasons here in Quebec as a medical professional. I wish I could mention his name on broadcast, but I cannot do that. Besides, I don't want to be charged or something like that. So every time that I had appointments with him, he he had this calm energy that I've been feeling and I felt and receiving from him. Um, he doesn't like he wasn't the type of doctor who gets angry easily, even though that I was one of his patients. He had this focus and patience at the same time while he assessed me in each and every appointment with him. There were some changes throughout the years in my medications, but I know that he tried so much to assess me, to give me some options for my treatments, and he's in the healthcare career of his life for a very long time. I wish I know how many years he worked as a psychiatrist, but it's sad that he's no longer my psychiatrist anymore. But I know that he can enjoy the rest of his life by spending time with his family and friends. So I would like to say thank you so much, doctor, for everything that you have done to help me throughout the years. And I'm hoping that the next practitioner, whoever it may be, um, I hope I will have a good time having appointments with that person, and and yeah, I hope everything for the best. So I would like to say thank you, Doc, for your service, and enjoy the rest of your retirement. Have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.